For countless generations, humanity has lifted its gaze toward the night sky, drawn by a quiet but persistent curiosity about what lies beyond the limits of our world. The stars scattered across the darkness have never been merely distant points of light. They have served as guides, as mysteries, and as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Ancient civilizations traced patterns among them, mapping constellations that carried stories, beliefs, and meaning. The sky became both a compass and a canvas, helping travelers cross oceans, farmers track seasons, and thinkers attempt to understand existence itself. Even then, beneath the myths and interpretations, there was an unspoken awareness that the universe was far greater than anything visible to the human eye. As centuries passed, observation gradually transformed into science. What was once interpreted through mythology began to be measured, tested, and refined through evidence. The invention of the telescope marked a turning point, revealing that the faint lights in the sky were not fixed decorations, but distant suns, many of them surrounded by their own systems, their own worlds, and their own histories. By the 20th century, this understanding expanded dramatically. The development of the Big Bang model provided a framework for explaining the origin of the universe. According to this model, everything we observe today emerged from an extremely hot, dense state approximately 13.8 billion years ago. Space itself began expanding, carrying matter and energy outward. Over time, gravity shaped this matter into stars, galaxies, and the immense structures that define the cosmos. This framework proved remarkably powerful. It explained the expansion of space, the faint cosmic background radiation left over from the universe's earliest moments, and the large-scale distribution of galaxies. For a time, it seemed as though humanity had finally begun to understand the broad outline of the universe's story. But the deeper we look, the more that story begins to shift. Recent observations have revealed galaxies that appear far more mature than expected, existing at a time when the universe should have still been in its earliest stages of formation. These galaxies are not small, chaotic systems gradually assembling themselves. Instead, they display structure, mass, and complexity that should require far more time to develop. This raises a fundamental question. Either galaxies formed much faster than our current models predict, or our understanding of cosmic evolution is incomplete. At the same time, closer to home, certain stars are challenging our ability to measure time itself. One such example is an ancient star often nicknamed Methuselah. Based on current estimates, its calculated age appears to approach, and in some interpretations even exceed, the age of the universe. This does not mean the star is truly older than everything that exists. Rather, it reveals the limitations of our measurement methods. Determining the age of a star is an indirect process. It relies on models of stellar evolution, chemical composition, brightness, and temperature. Even small uncertainties in these factors can lead to significant differences in the final calculation. Yet anomalies like this highlight something essential. Our tools, while powerful, are not perfect. To better understand the scale of cosmic time, scientists often rely on analogy. If the entire history of the universe were compressed into a single calendar year, the Big Bang would occur at the very beginning of January. The formation of Earth would not happen until the final hours of December 31st. And all of recorded human history would unfold within the last few seconds before midnight. This perspective reveals just how brief our existence is compared to the vast timeline of the cosmos. And yet, within that brief window, humanity has uncovered extraordinary truths about the universe. Still, many questions remain. Some researchers have explored alternative interpretations of cosmic data, suggesting that the universe could be older than currently estimated. These ideas remain under debate and require far more evidence, but they demonstrate that even foundational concepts are not beyond reconsideration. Within our own galaxy, new observations continue to reshape understanding. Measurements of stellar motion and distribution suggest that the total mass of the Milky Way may be lower than once believed. This has direct implications for dark matter, the invisible substance that exerts gravitational influence throughout the universe. Dark matter, along with dark energy, dominates the cosmos. Together, they account for roughly 95% of everything that exists. Ordinary matter, the stars, planets, and life we are familiar with, makes up only a small fraction. This means that most of the universe is composed of something we cannot directly observe. At the same time, the search for life beyond Earth has entered a new phase. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered orbiting distant stars, many of them unlike anything in our own solar system. Some possess thick atmospheres, others may contain vast oceans, and a few show chemical signatures that hint at complex processes occurring on their surfaces or within their skies. The study of these worlds has moved beyond simple detection. Scientists can now analyze atmospheric composition, estimate temperature ranges, and even infer weather patterns on planets hundreds of light-years away. This represents a profound shift in how humanity explores the universe. It also brings us closer to answering one of the oldest questions ever asked. Are we alone? So far, no definitive evidence of life beyond Earth has been confirmed. But the tools now available are capable of detecting indirect signs, subtle imbalances in atmospheric chemistry that could indicate biological activity. Each observation adds another piece to an expanding puzzle. Meanwhile, theoretical ideas continue to push the boundaries of possibility. Concepts like the multiverse suggest that our universe may be only one of many, each with its own physical laws and properties. While such ideas remain speculative, they highlight how deeply modern science is beginning to explore the nature of reality. Even large-scale cosmic phenomena present unanswered questions. Observations of galaxy clusters reveal motions that do not fully align with predictions, hinting at forces or structures not yet fully understood. These anomalies serve as reminders that the universe still holds layers of complexity waiting to be uncovered. Despite all uncertainties, one truth remains clear. The pursuit of knowledge is ongoing. Every observation, every measurement, and every theory contributes to a deeper understanding of reality. Each discovery answers some questions while raising new ones. This is not a weakness of science, it is its greatest strength. Science evolves. It adapts. It refines itself as new evidence emerges. The universe itself is not static. It is dynamic, constantly evolving across timescales far beyond human experience. Stars are born, live, and die. Galaxies collide and merge. Matter flows across immense distances, shaping the structure of the cosmos in ways that are both subtle and profound. Within this immense system, humanity occupies a small but remarkable place. We are observers capable of reflecting on the universe that produced us. The atoms in our bodies were forged in ancient stars, scattered across space, and eventually gathered into the planet we call home. In a very real sense, we are part of the cosmos attempting to understand itself. As technology continues to advance, our ability to explore will only grow. New instruments will peer deeper into space, capture fainter signals, and reveal details that are currently beyond reach. Each generation will build upon the discoveries of the last, extending the boundaries of knowledge further into the unknown. The journey is far from complete. The universe remains vast, intricate, and filled with unanswered questions. But with each step forward, humanity moves closer, not to final answers, but to deeper understanding. And perhaps somewhere within that vast expanse, the answers we seek are already there, carried across space and time, hidden within the faintest traces of light, waiting patiently to be discovered.